Plastic recycling, an essential process to tackle our global waste problem and conserve valuable resources, isn't always as straightforward as it sounds. While we all know that recycling is important, have you ever wondered what drives the economics of this process? What makes it sometimes more profitable than tossing the plastic in the bin? In this fast-paced visual journey, we'll decode the economic factors that influence plastic recycling. We'll explore the costs, benefits, and market forces at play to help you understand why recycling faces many challenges and where opportunities lie. So get ready to learn how money, environment, and factories intertwine in the fascinating world of plastic recycling. Welcome back to our channel, where complex topics are made easy and accessible for everyone. If you're new here, consider subscribing to stay updated on our latest videos. In the intricate dance of global economics, plastic recycling stands as a critical yet challenging endeavor. Let's start by dissecting the cost element of this equation. Recycling plastic involves a series of steps, each contributing to its overall cost structure. These steps include the collection of plastic waste from various sources, which necessitates investments in collection infrastructure and efficient sorting technologies. Once collected, the plastic waste undergoes a rigorous sorting process to separate different types of plastics, a task that can be both labor-intensive and capital-heavy. Subsequently, the sorted plastics are meticulously cleaned to remove any contaminants that could hinder the recycling process. This cleaning may involve washing, grinding, or other treatment methods, adding to the cost. Finally, the purified plastic is processed into new materials, requiring specialized equipment and energy, thereby driving up costs even further. Moreover, operational expenses such as transportation, storage, and maintenance also play a part in determining the overall cost of plastic recycling. Now let's turn our attention to the revenue side of the equation. The value derived from recycled plastic depends on several factors, including market demand, the quality of the recycled material, and notably, the price of virgin plastic. Virgin plastic, being the benchmark, often enjoys a cost advantage due to economies of scale and well-established supply chains. As a result, recycled plastic must compete with this established market while also navigating fluctuating oil prices. Oil price fluctuations introduce an additional layer of complexity into the economics of plastic recycling. Since virgin plastic is derived from petroleum, declining oil prices can make virgin plastic more cost-competitive, thereby putting downward pressure on the demand for recycled alternatives. Conversely, when oil prices rise, the economic viability of plastic recycling improves as the cost differential between recycled and virgin plastic widens. Now let's talk about contamination and quality issues, a major concern in plastic recycling. The presence of contaminants such as other materials, food residue, or labels can significantly impact the quality of recycled plastic, reducing its value. Moreover, inconsistent quality in recycled materials can pose challenges for manufacturers who seek reliable input for their processes. The sorting of mixed plastics is a crucial yet intricate process, demanding both precision and efficiency. Advanced sorting technologies such as AI-powered optical sorting systems are transforming the game, enabling the separation of plastics based on their material composition and quality. However, these technological advancements come with their own set of costs, impacting the overall economics of the process. Embarking on a journey through the global marketplace, one encounters a myriad of plastic products, each with unique properties and applications. However, beneath this diversity lies a common challenge: the absence of standardized quality metrics for recycled plastic. Without standardized quality metrics, it becomes arduous for buyers to assess the true value of recycled materials, leading to potential undervaluation. Furthermore, the absence of uniform standards can create a fragmented market, impeding the growth of a robust and sustainable plastic recycling industry. If you find this information helpful, please give the video a like. Your support means a lot to us. Now let's move on to the next part. Imagine a future where technology takes center stage, revolutionizing plastic recycling and transforming waste into a valuable resource. Picture advanced robotics powered by artificial intelligence (AI) adeptly sorting different types of plastics with unmatched precision and efficiency. But it's not just about sorting. AI's role extends to optimizing the entire recycling process. From identifying the most cost-effective collection routes to predicting equipment failures before they occur. These smart machines operate tirelessly, reducing contamination, improving material quality, and ultimately boosting the profitability of recycling operations. But that's not all. Chemical recycling emerges as another game-changing innovation, utilizing advanced techniques to break down plastic at a molecular level, transforming it into pristine, high-quality recycled materials. Meanwhile, the concept of a circular economy gains momentum as stakeholders across the plastic supply chain embrace a collaborative approach. Manufacturers, consumers, and policymakers unite to drive systemic changes, encouraging reuse, reducing reliance on virgin plastic, and fostering a culture of responsibility. Extended producer responsibility (EPR) schemes gain traction, holding manufacturers accountable for the end-of-life management of their products and incentivizing the design of more recyclable and sustainable packaging. With EPR, manufacturers can no longer offload their responsibilities onto municipalities or waste management companies. Instead, they must actively participate in recycling initiatives, pay a fee, or take back used products, fostering a circular economy. As these trends converge, the economics of plastic recycling undergo a transformative shift. The integration of AI, chemical recycling, and circular economy principles paves the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and financially viable future for plastic recycling. Embracing these innovations and systemic changes can unlock the full potential of plastic recycling, turning a once daunting challenge into a profitable and planet-powered solution. Now let's discuss some economic incentives and policies that can help promote plastic recycling. Governments worldwide have implemented various policies to make plastic recycling more economically viable and environmentally beneficial. One effective measure is the provision of subsidies, financial incentives that can significantly reduce the cost of recycling for businesses. By offering grants, tax breaks, or direct payments, governments can encourage investment in recycling infrastructure and processes, thereby boosting the economic feasibility of plastic recycling. Tax incentives stand as another potent tool in the policy arsenal, providing businesses with financial benefits for adopting recycling practices. For instance, governments may offer tax credits or deductions for investments in recycling equipment or for diverting waste away from landfills towards recycling facilities. Such incentives can stimulate private sector engagement in recycling, making it more economically attractive. Additionally, policies such as extended producer responsibility (EPR) hold manufacturers accountable for the environmental impact of their products, encouraging them to design for recyclability and invest in recycling infrastructure. By internalizing the cost of recycling, EPR can make plastic recycling more economically viable. Furthermore, regulations and standards play a vital role in creating a level playing field for recycled materials. By setting minimum content standards for recycled content in certain products, governments can ensure a consistent demand for recycled plastic, making it more economically competitive with virgin materials. The implementation of these economic incentives and policies can significantly influence the economics of plastic recycling. By reducing costs, providing financial benefits, and creating supportive regulatory environments, governments can foster innovation, stimulate investment, and ultimately make plastic recycling more economically viable. As we conclude this exploration into the economics of plastic recycling, it's evident that this process is a multifaceted endeavor, balancing environmental benefits against financial considerations. While the challenges are significant, the potential rewards are equally substantial. To fully unlock the potential of plastic recycling, a collaborative approach involving governments, businesses, and individuals is crucial. Governments can play a pivotal role by implementing supportive policies such as EPR, setting quality standards, and providing economic incentives. Businesses can contribute by investing in innovative recycling technologies, designing recyclable products, and embracing circular economy principles. Individuals can make a difference by reducing their plastic consumption, properly sorting waste, and supporting businesses that prioritize recycling. Moreover, continued research and development into efficient and cost-effective recycling methods are essential to enhance the economic viability of the process. As we look to the future, it's clear that the economics of plastic recycling will continue to evolve. Embracing a circular economy model, Fostering innovation and promoting responsible consumption patterns will be key to mitigating the challenges and maximizing the benefits of plastic recycling. By working together, we can pave the way for a more sustainable and economically viable future where plastic waste is transformed into a valuable resource. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you want to learn more about related topics, check out some of our other videos on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching.